Apopka North Shore Wildlife Drive, St. John's River Management. We're getting ready to take a tour. We're going to ride down the edge of the lake. Last time we were out here, we saw so many birds and animals. It was crazy. Just lots and lots and lots of birds. Lots and lots of gators. So in the meantime, today, we're just going to take a tour. So sit back and enjoy the ride. This is automobile friendly, but a great place to take your doors off and put your top down. You just slowly drive and you stop frequently and you take pictures of the herrings, the gallons, the coots, the red-winged blackbirds, gators, and sometimes you might see a bobcat. So this is the pump house pond, and if you come at winter time, this pump house pond will be packed out with gators. Right now, they're there, but they've kind of spread out. It's nesting season. It's a wasp. Come early in the morning, there's a lot more wildlife. So there are grid sections out here of roads where they have portions of this wildlife and water management being maintained, and they can maintain the water levels. If it's too high, they can pump them out to Lake Apopka. These are some of the pump houses out here that have huge pumps that go out, and they can actually pump water from one side out to the other side. And so right now you can see this area is a little lower and the other area is a little higher on these huge pipes. It's like walking around on a giant steam engine. The mud flats. Florida has many wetlands, and what the wetlands used to do is it would, through all the plants, it would filter out the pollutants out of the water before putting it into the lakes and rivers. When developers come in and they build large sections of property, they take away a lot of the wetlands, and so the water is no longer has a place to be filtered. So they have to make retention ponds. But a retention pond is a sad replacement for what Florida naturally has. So right by the fish is that little baby gator. Don't harass gators in Florida. Won't mess with gators in Florida. See them now? Don't feed gators in Florida. Don't fish for gators in Florida. Don't throw rocks at gators in Florida. Leave gators alone. There is a natural fear that alligators have for people, so they stay away. But when people start to interact with the gators, whether especially through feeding them, they lose that fear. And when they lose that fear, they begin to associate people with food. Then somebody comes walking down by the lake with this convenient little snack on a leash, and it becomes a problem gator. And it either has to be killed or moved. So when it comes to gators in Florida, don't mess with them. Take pictures from a distance, and that's about it. Don't disturb them. It's actually against the law to harass alligators in Florida. So Stop harassing the gators. One pun intended. Even if I am a Florida State fan and Randy goes and buys a nice, pretty blue gator Jeep.
Little by little, it'll get transferred over.
Happy wife? I guess happy life. Thanks for watching. We're gonna head on out now. Because it's Father's Day. And I think it might be time to go find lunch somewhere. Hey, it's Father's Day. And we are at
Ford's. Trying out hamburgers.
Try out their
Matthew's favorite.
hamburgers.
There you go.
So the food is here. Jiffy burger with potato wedges.